There's a city in Italy where time didn't pass. It stopped. The streets are still here. The houses are still open. Even the silence feels preserved. Tonight, we're walking into Pompeii. Before we begin, welcome to Tripinn, where we slow down, look closer, and experience places beyond first impressions. This is travel meant to be felt, not rushed. If this is your kind of journey, subscribe to Tripinn and hit the bell icon, because here we don't just visit places, we walk through their stories. Today we're in southern Italy, standing inside a Roman city that once lived an ordinary life. Pompeii wasn't built to impress. It wasn't meant to be remembered. It had streets for walking, homes for families, markets, theaters, baths, designed for daily routine, and then everything paused. In this journey, we're walking through Pompeii, location by location, so you know exactly where to go to experience its history the way it still exists today. Before we begin, let's dive into the history of Pompeii. It helps to understand what Pompeii truly was. Founded over 2,000 years ago, Pompeii grew into a thriving Roman city through trade, agriculture, and daily commerce. It wasn't famous. It wasn't powerful. It was simply well-connected and well-lived. In the year 79 AD, Mount Vesuvius erupted, covering the city in ash and debris. Buildings, streets, and everyday spaces were preserved exactly as they were, creating a rare window into Roman life that the world had never seen before. Today, Pompeii is not remembered for how it lived, but for how clearly it allows us to see the past. Start with the streets. These stone roads once carried carts, footsteps, and everyday movement. Look closely, and you'll see deep grooves left by wheels passing again and again. Raised crossings allowed people to walk through the city without stepping into rainwater. This is where Pompeii begins. Not with monuments, but with movement. The Forum was the heart of Pompeii. This open space connected politics, religion, and trade. Temples stood nearby. Stand here long enough, and you can imagine the city gathering, not as tourists, but as citizens. One of the oldest places in Pompeii is the Temple of Apollo. Religion wasn't separate from daily life, it was part of it. This open courtyard once hosted rituals, offerings, and quiet moments of belief. Even now, the symmetry and balance feel intentional. Step inside a Pompeian home, and the city becomes personal. Homes were built around open courtyards, bringing light, air, and water inside. Walls were painted. Floors were decorated with mosaics. Design mattered, even in everyday life. These spaces weren't created for history, they were created for living. If you're enjoying this location-by-location walk through history, subscribe to Tripinn and turn on the bell icon. More historic journeys are coming. Slow, detailed, and immersive. The baths were more than places to wash. They were social spaces. Rooms moved from warm to hot to cold, guided by advanced engineering beneath the floors. People came here to relax, to talk, to be part of the city. The baths remind us how sophisticated Roman life truly was. At the edge of the city stands one of the oldest Roman amphitheaters. This was a place of spectacle, drawing crowds from beyond Pompeii itself. Its design is simple, functional, and powerful, built entirely around the viewer. As you walk through Pompeii, something becomes clear. This doesn't feel like ruins. It feels like a city on pause. Shops still face the street. Homes still open inward. Roads still lead somewhere. Pompeii preserves history not as legend, but as everyday life. Pompeii doesn't ask to be remembered. It simply remains. Its streets still lead somewhere. Its walls still hold stories. And every step here feels intentional. Walking through Pompeii isn't about looking back in time. It's about realizing how close the past really is. Because this wasn't a lost world, it was a living one. Built on ordinary days just like ours. This is Tripinn, and we'll see you in the next story. Till then, subscribe to Tripinn and hit the bell to catch more stories from our channel.